Hey guys, if you thought your applications, your apps on your phone changed your life, wait until you find out about the apps through a cash value life insurance policy. Now, apps on our phone, what have they enabled us to do? They've enabled us to streamline our lives and stay on track for certain things and make sure that we do not get lost. How often are we using our Waze app? You know, if I'm not going to the grocery store somewhere I go like regularly, I put my Waze app on. Why? Because I want to get there as efficiently as possible without taking any detours, and I want to get there as quickly as possible. So apps through a life insurance policy. There are many different applications through a life insurance policy. Our most popular one is the tax-free retirement. Now, let's take a look a little more deeply inside of that. There are a lot of retirement traps that planning for your tax-free retirement through your life insurance policy can help you avoid. One of them are the tax traps. Now, money through your life insurance policy is taken out tax-free. It's taken out tax-free because you are taking your money out as a loan, and loans are not taxed. So this money that you're withdrawing through a loan won't affect your future Social Security and won't affect your future tax brackets because it's not reported as income. It is a loan. Another thing, it avoids penalties. You know, if you do not take a certain amount of money out of your 401k or IRA, you get penalized for that. And then obviously you can't start withdrawing from your IRA until you're a certain age too for the penalties. And then it also avoids market risk. The interest that you're earning is based on stock market indexes. And this money can be diversified. You can have it diversified to different stock market indexes. A lot of people choose the S&P 500 because it's like the benchmark for how the US stock market is performing. So let's say, for example, it was at 1,000 points today, and a year from now it was at 1,100. Then it would have grown by 10%. You would have been credited 10% for that period. And then there's also a floor. So if the stock market were to crash, like say right when you're about to retire, and instead of losing like 40% of your principal because you were invested in the stock market, you would have just earned zero for that period. And you wouldn't have lost any principal due to stock market volatility. So that is a huge, huge advantage of an IUL, Indexed Universal Life Policy, versus an IRA. So that is one of the major apps that life insurance policies are used for. And then another one would be college planning. So if you have little kids that you're saving for college for, you can also plan for that through your life insurance policy. Then obviously if they decide not to go to college, that money's not stuck, or they can only use it for college savings. For paying for college, they could use it for something else too. You can use it for working capital if you're a business. You can use it for real estate management if you flip investment properties, estate planning to preserve your wealth. So many different things that permanent life insurance policies can be used for. You know, before I became a life insurance agent, my perspective was that life insurance was just about the death benefit, and you only would need a term policy in case, you know, your spouse were to die unexpectedly to help to have that money to help provide for your family. You know, but in actuality, like, it can do so much more for people. And that is the message that I love to share with people. So if you want to learn more, message me or stay tuned for our next workshop. Bye.